The North Carolina Zoo is one of the world's largest zoos with over 2,600 acres. We have a long-standing commitment to sustainability. The zoo's mission is to protect wildlife and wild places and inspire people to join us in conserving the natural world. The zoo initiated a formal sustainability program in 1989, and we remain committed to sustainable practices in all operations. Our vision is to minimize resource use and highlight our sustainable practices to encourage our guests to adopt behaviors that minimize their impact on the environment. Here are a few highlights of our green program.
The zoo undergoes an annual external audit to ensure our compliance with ISO 14001 standard. We've had this certification for over 15 years.
Every year we compost approximately 2,000 tons of waste from our animals, plants, and restaurants.
We have taken this golf cart from gas and turned it into electric. And we're also working on providing electric service for the rest of our motor fleet.
Our staff have replaced fluorescent light bulbs with energy-friendly LED bulbs, saving the zoo thousands of dollars in energy costs over the past several years.
All of our restaurants use 100% compostable cups, plates, and silverware.
As an Arctic Ambassador Center, we plant trees and teach our visitors about green practices to help mitigate the effects of climate change on a global scale.
So we were able to convert from plastic bags to all paper bags in all of the zoo gift shops, and they too are recyclable.
Our graphics throughout the zoo give guests suggestions on how they can be more environmentally friendly in their day-to-day lives.
We have replaced all the plastic water and soft drink bottles in our vending machines with recyclable aluminum.
Behind me, we have 3 picnic shelters, and each roof carries 3,200 square feet worth of photovoltaic collecting cells. This can generate a maximum of 104 kilowatts per hour, and this has been online here since 2008.
The constructed wetlands filters oil runoff from vehicles parked in our parking lot.
We've started pilot testing a program designed to recycle our disposable gloves.
When we demolished an old zoo building, we recycled 150 tons of steel, and 8,400 tons of concrete was reused as fill for a highway project.
The protected contact system for our elephants was built with upcycled steel.
Hello, I'm Pat Simmons, CEO and Director of the North Carolina Zoo. And joining me is the green team at the North Carolina Zoo. And they are my green heroes. We are both humbled and appreciative that the World Association of Zoos and Aquariums recognized us for this sustainability award. More than 30 years ago, our zoo began a journey to become a leader in sustainability, conservation, and environmental stewardship. Beginning the launch of our first green practices in the late 1980s, our team has developed numerous projects. These include efficient LED lighting and HVAC control systems, intensive recycling and composting programs, and a comprehensive approach to minimizing single-use plastics throughout our operations. As the world's largest natural habitat zoo, that has helped us accomplish numerous goals, such as reducing consumption of fossil fuels, eliminating potential marine debris, and addressing growing concerns over microplastic pollution. We share information on sustainable practices with almost 1 million guests a year that visit our zoo. While discovering animals and wildlife, our guests learn how to implement sustainable actions in their own lives at home. That's something that lasts far beyond their one-day visit to us. We're proud to be recognized for our efforts, but also know we are in great company. Zoos and aquariums throughout the world serve as shining examples of how to make a positive impact on the planet and lessen climate change. Thank you so much for recognizing our efforts. We wish we could be there together to thank you personally, but meanwhile, stay green.